welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishita. If this is for the very first time you saw my face, then hello. In this video, I am gonna review another cosmetic brand, and this happens to be Flossy Cosmetics. Oh my god, Insta पे this brand is all over my feed, like back and forth, like मुझे कभी किसी के post दिख रहा है इस Flossy Cosmetics से, कभी कुछ दिख रहा है. So I really wanted to give it a try, and why will I not give it a try? Because look at the packaging, like all pink. Hello. Like a girl is literally grown up and completed one cycle of her life if she starts to like pink, and I am in that pink liking phase. So this caught all my attention. Like wow, everything is in pink, guys. Everything. Like look at the packaging. सब कुछ pink हो रखा है. There are 3 products with me. One is their lipstick, and the lipstick shade is Play Date. It is like a nude shade. So I really want to give it a try, that whether it suits my skin tone or not, because a lot of lipsticks doesn't go on my skin tone. That is just the brown skin problem. And it's not the brown skin problem, it's the brand problem which they are not able to cope up with. And second product which I have is this baby right here. Like this, it really caught my attention because एक ही में आपको bronzer भी दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, bronzer blush दोनों दे रखा है. This is like cheek duo glow bot, ठीक है. तो ये product है. Now it has एक side आपको दिया हुआ है blush, और उसी का this side this is magnetic by the way. This is the blush side, and ऐसे आप flip करोगे then it is your bronzer side. So I really like this thing happening, and I actually wanted to use creamy blush and creamy bronzers because I have always used bronzer में lipsticks, so I actually wanted to use this baby right here. Today we are going to use this, and the third product which I have is this baby right here. इसको तुम अगर चार्म्स के साथ ये आता है, लाइक चार्म्स अलग से आई गेस वो देते हैं, और वो तो तुम्हें पूरा फ्लॉसी कॉस्मेटिक का पूरे पेज पे दिखेगा. सो charms तो नहीं है आज हमारे पास, but I am actually gonna try this product, like whether it works or not. We are gonna talk about everything, gonna critique on the basis of the pigment these products have, long lasting they are. That is very important for me and for us as well. And third is the texture. How is the texture of each product? So we are gonna test these things on these 3 bases, and one is obviously whether it is brown girl friendly or not. That is the unsaid thing which we do in all of our videos whenever we do makeup products thing. So that is the idea of this video. Now without any further ado, let's just get started. So guys, for my first lipstick, I'm gonna apply this nude baby right here. This is in the shade Play Date, and the name of the product is In Therapy Liquid Lipstick. It is a giant lipstick, if you will see. मतलब जो छोटी छोटी वाली हमने Just Herbs की करी थी ना, it is not like your mini lipstick, and it is not even like your normal lipstick. It is very good bottle, like a lot of quantity is stored in this bottle, I guess. And it claims to be sulfate free, cruelty free, paraben free, and vegan. Wow, that's so good. Let me just apply. Okay. See, I messed up. I am that kind of girl who will always mess up lipsticks. Okay. I don't know, whatever they have added in here, it smells amazing, and this is how it looks. I will show you the closer look. I think it really goes with my undertone and everything, but एक shade अगर darker होता तब ये मेरे पे ज़्यादा सूट करता. That's what I think. लेकिन अभी भी I don't think so बुरा लग रहा है. It is like a very natural nude shade which is coming out, if you guys can see. Guys, it is very pigmented and it has a matte finish, if you can see. And obviously buildable. Let me show you the closer look and then I will carry on with the rest. One thing which I would like to mention with this lipstick, I think maybe it is with me, but it feels extremely dry on my lips. It has a very nice pigment, it is buildable, it has a buildable coverage as well, and the shade is really gorgeous. Like a shade down would have been better for my skin tone, but if you are a skin tone which is fairer than mine, then this shade will actually go on your lips pretty well. And once I applied the lip liner, I guess now I can see that this is very pretty right here. So guys, this is how it looks finally after 15 minutes. I would like to say that it has a very dry texture because it is actually leaving my lips very dehydrated. That's what I felt right now. And also I have applied, where is it? Yeah, I have applied my lip liner, which is from Mars, and it is in the shade exotic brown. Like I applied this baby right here so that it goes around with my shade, because I just felt कि ये वाला shade मेरे skin tone के हिसाब से बहुत light हो गया है, और like धूप में it will look good, and ऐसे भी if you will apply lip liner then it will look good, but it is not exactly in the brown shade the way you see in the bottle. It is not exactly like that on my lips, or even if you have this skin tone of mine. Secondly, I think I like the texture. It has a buildable coverage. That was my first product. I will say I will give it 3.5 on 5, just because I preferred one shade up than this shade. Secondly, like the drying factor which is happening. Another baby right here. This is Glowbot. This is Glowbot Cheek Duo. I'm very excited to use this one, and let me tell you guys, I do not have any brush to use this one. So please do not judge me, because I am gonna apply this with my fingers only. One is like a blush they have given. The blush is in the shade Berry Nude, and the other one which I have, okay, I love the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful, like so convenient. Like this has a magnet, if you will. I will give like 10 on 10 for the packaging because I love it so much. In one compact thing you are getting blush as well as bronzer, which is such a nice point. Guys, I literally don't know what they have done to their product, but they smell effing amazing, which I like. I am applying my bronzer like this. That's how I apply. Now bronzer is much warm than contour. Everybody knows this. Wherever the sun is hitting you, it is very creamy guys, और बहुत smooth texture है. More than contour, I love bronzer because can you see the warmth it just adds to your face. Their blush is in the shade Berry Nude. So creamy, oh my god. See. Such a pigmented thing right here. थोड़ा सा nose पे, because I love applying my this thing here, और थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. And it is just adding more colors to my face. That's what I think. Very much natural glow. That's what I will say. And it is actually suiting my skin tone. Like both the shades are suiting my skin tone like anything. Paul, I tell you, like this is a 5 on 5 product. I love the bronzer. I love the blush. It is giving me sun-kissed look, like a natural look. Not too much, not too less. It's just apt for a very warm tone. I like it. like bronzer and blush is good 4 on 5 from my end. So guys, last but not the least, I have with me this lip tint. This is a jelly tint and the name is Better Decision. And lately I have seen that this product has so much hype on their website of Flossy Cosmetics. So I really want to know that what is the hype all about. And guys, बहुत मरून चीज़ें हो रही हैं यहाँ पे. So let me just test it how it is on my skin tone. And like, I am not a very much tint kind of person, but this is very nice. And not gonna lie, I have used it once. I'm just gonna apply it here. What the the pigment is everything and it smells heavenly, guys. Oh my god, like, it smells good. I don't know how. But one thing which I would like to mention कि अगर तुम इसको नया नया लेके आओगे तब इसका स्मेल बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट होगा और धीरे धीरे ये कम होता जाएगा. क्योंकि जब मैं लेके आई थी और तब मैंने ब्लश और ब्रॉन्जर का स्मेल लिया था, देन इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, गुड सेंट हैपनिंग. इतना ब्लश में लगा के कहाँ जाऊंगी, वैलेंटाइंस डे भी खत्म हो गया है गाइस. टू मच. लेट मी जस्ट. अब तुम्हें ये काम ना बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये बहुत जल्दी सूख रहा है गाइस. ठीक है, इस काम को करने में तुम लेट नहीं कर सकते हो बिल्कुल भी. इफ यू वॉन्ट विंटरी वाले चीक्स, देन आई थिंक दिस टिंट इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हेयर ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा. रिमेंबर टू ब्लेंड इट फटाफट. दोनों साइड लगा के करना शुरू करोगे, देन ये बहुत जल्दी सूखता है. और ये मैंने पहली बार ऐसे ही किया था. आई हैव यूज दिस टिंट वंस और यहाँ पे पूरा स्टेन आ गया था. सो उस टाइम पे भी ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था जितना ये अभी लग रहा है. पिगमेंट इज एवरीथिंग यू ऑल. दिस इज क्रेजी. I'm gonna tell you how long lasting it is. I will write it somewhere down here. Now I would say that I like the lipstick more because after applying the tint, it has added some depth to the color. Like, it is not very light for my skin. It is appropriate. Guys, talking about the lip tint, it is actually giving you the beetroot shade and the beetroot glow, the glow which you want in winter specifically, or if you are traveling anywhere in very cold places. This is the exact kind of glow which lip tints give. Obviously you can apply it in summer season as well, but the pigment is so strong and so amazing. You need to apply in a very little amount so that it doesn't give you stain thing. Not used lip tint before, but this lip tint surely has my heart. Among all the 3 products which I have applied today, I think this one is my favorite. And ये क्योंकि मैं पहले भी अप्लाई कर चुकी हूँ, and this remains in my purse from now onwards with Better Decisions. This is the best decision. All the worth and all the value for your purchase. This is a 3.5 on 5 for me because the texture I felt is very dry on my lips and the color is not going मेरे skin tone के हिसाब से. Maybe in future I will purchase another shade which is deeper in like which is not playdate and something deeper nude or deeper brown. Then that might go well with my skin tone and then I will judge that product better. But lipstick, I'm talking about this glow bot thing, which is a cheek duo bronzer and blush. This is so good. The texture is smooth like butter, guys. So this definitely deserves a 4 on 5 from my end. Last but not the least, this became my favorite, guys. This deserves 100 out of 100 because this is the product which I will go back to every time. That's what I felt. Whenever the nude lipstick is not suiting my skin tone, I apply lip liner and then I might apply this baby right here and I think I'm good to go. तो चुकंदर वाले तुम्हारे दोनों गाल हो जाएंगे. This is what exactly is happening with me right now. तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा product है. I will give the overall rating to this brand a good 4/5. I really liked it, and this baby right here smells amazing. So that's a extra brownie point. Whichever product smell amazing gets extra brownie points from me. As you guys know that I'm so like high on smell things. ठीक है? So that is it for my video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to love yourself more and more.